over here for you behind the screen. Thanks for watching. And this is doing synthetic division with you on your homework assignment there. Notice for number 1 and 2, we're actually missing some things here that we need to change to be able to set it up correctly. And so let's see here. So first of all, for number 1, we are missing an m to the first power. And so since that's gone, it was probably multiplied by 0 to get rid of it. So we'll just go ahead and stick that in there. And then we have m minus 8. We need to set that equal to 0. So then we add 8 to both sides. And so then we do get m equals 8. And so 8 is the key number that's going to be on the outside of the house when we're doing synthetic division. So we're going to bring that over here, put an 8 down. And we'll draw an upside down house like that. And then we're going to leave the m cubed, leave the m squared, leave all the variables there, just bring down their coefficients, just bring down their numbers. So 10, there we go. And then negative 87 goes right here next. Then we'll bring down our 0. And then we'll bring down our 448. Wow, what a beastly problem. Okay, so then the first step, the next step, I guess, we had a lot of first steps there. The most important, a lot of people forget, is just how do we start? Well, bring down the 10. Just drop it down. Just bring down the 10. Okay, and then you can use multiplication and then addition. Multiplication, addition, or combining. Multiplication, combining, multiplication, combining. So 8 times 10 is 80. So multiply. Then we're going to combine. So negative 87 with 80 is negative 7. Good. Then we've got 8 times negative 7. And 8 times negative 7 is, let's see, negative 56. There we go. And then negative 56 plus 0 is just a negative 56. So we'll bring that down. And then, last but not least, 8 times negative 56 is, we'll use our calculator there, 8 times negative 56. So 8 times, we're just going to say 8 times 56 and then make it negative, is 448. Bingo! So there we go. So 8 times negative 56 is a negative 448. And so combine those together, you get 0. And so in our case there, remainder of just 0. And so is, so then we can answer the question, so is m minus 8 a factor? And so we're going to say yes. Is it 0? Whenever you have remainder of 0, you say yes. Whenever it's a remainder of anything else, then you say no. I'm teaching the students that are behind the screen that are watching the video. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, have a good night. So then, shout out to Mrs. Leek. Woo! Also, we got a shout out there to, let's see here, Megan, Winward, and Aura. Yeah, shout out there on the video. What's up? Woo! Alright, so then let's see here. So we can say yes, m minus 8 is a factor. Cool, so that's one thing we need to put down. We also get to get the answer, right? What is m minus 8 into 10m cubed minus 87m squared plus 0m to the first power plus 448? Well, the answer is right here with these numbers that you dropped and multiplied and added with. And what I mean by that is, we're going to bring down the 10. That's our first answer. And then we're going to raise it to whatever power. So, let's see. So it's the greatest power. And then, so 1 less. So 1 less power than our problem. Okay? So in our case, m to the cube power. We're going to put 10m to the squared power. And we'll bring down the negative 7, so that's negative 7m to the first power. And then minus 56. Nailed it. So we'll go ahead and circle our answer there. 10m squared minus 7m minus 56. And is it a factor? Yes, because we have a remainder of 0. Alrighty, so there's your answer for number 1. Take a look again. We'll try number 2, but this time we do want to switch the order there. So let's see here. And we need an h to the first power is what we're missing too, aren't we? So we got to fix that. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do 58 h cubed. Oops. We actually do have a 7h to the 4th, which is bigger than h cubed. So 7h to the 4th plus 58h cubed minus 55h squared plus 0h to the first power plus 810. So now that's set up correctly and we can proceed. So then instead of doing x plus 9, we're going to set it equal to 0 and get h minus 9 to both sides. So h is a negative 9. So we're going to go over here and we're going to put a negative 9 down. Like that. We're going to do our upside down house like that. And then we'll just bring down each of those numbers. So 7, 58, negative 55, super duper long division, made simple. Nice. So first step is bring down the 7. So we do bring down the 7 there. So negative 9 times 7 is negative 63. Negative 63 and 58, I believe, is negative 5. Cool. Then negative 9 times negative 5 is a positive 45. And then negative 55 with a positive 45 is a negative 10. Then negative 9, let's see here. Negative 9 times negative 10 is a positive 90. Add those together. 90 plus 0 is just 90. Good. Then negative 9 times 90 is a negative, if you do it in your calculator, a negative 810. So that means those two cancel, leaving us with just 0. And so that means yes, because we have a remainder of 0. And then our answer to number 2 is, bring down the 7. So we have 7x to the not 4th power, but the 3rd power, right? I guess we're using h's, aren't we? So 7h to the 1 power less than we started. So 7h to the 3rd power minus 5h squared minus 10h plus 90. And then remainder is 0. Nice. So there's your answer for number 2. So you're starting to get it, starting to get the idea, starting to get the hang of it. So we'll do one more random one there to help you, unless it cuts out on me. Let's see here. Which one do you want me to do? Here's kind of a crazy one I think that we'll look at because it's missing a bunch. Let's try 7. Let's try number 7 to finish off here and helping you. So then come get me when you're done. Okay, because Mr. Webster, I'm carpooling with today. All right, let's see here. So then we are missing a bunch of middle terms there, right? We are missing a 0h to the 1st power and technically a 0 with that last constant. So we can put both of those down. So then we have h plus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 7 both sides. So we get h is equal to negative 7 is what we want to use. So negative 7 is our key there to put outside the upside down house there. And then we'll go ahead and bring down the 3. Bring down the 21. Go ahead and pause. Pause me. Pause. Look, I paused. Go ahead and pause me, and then try this problem. And now that I've kind of set it up for you, and then push play and see if you got it right. That's the way you learn, right? Not just copying it down. You got to try it yourself. All right, so then we'll bring down the h to the 1st power, which wasn't anything listed there, so we'll put a 0 and 0 for the number. Okay, so we'll bring down the 3. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. 21 minus 21 is just 0. Cool. Negative 7 times 0 is just 0. Adam, we get 0. Negative 7 times 0 is 0. 0. So that one wasn't too hard. Wow, that's crazy. So it looks like we just have a remainder of 0. And we started with the 3rd power, so we're going to go to the 2nd power now. So it's going to be 3h to the 2nd power that's just our answer. That's pretty crazy. Because bring down plus 0h plus 0. Yeah, that's crazy. So just 3h squared is our answer there. And so yes, h plus 7 is a factor. So we'll say yes. And 3h squared is your answer. Crazy. That was a pretty easy one. Yeah, not too bad, right? So I think you're kind of getting the hang of it now after seeing me do those videos. So make sure for number 10 that you go ahead and put the order correct first. 3r to the third power, right? Plus 5r squared minus 48r plus 15. So put those in the right order. Use r equals negative 5. A lot of them you're going to either have to put them in order. That looks like it's in order. Or maybe you're missing one. So number 8's not missing one, so that's nice. Number 6 you are missing, so put a 0d to the first power as a placeholder there. Number 5, again, you're missing a b to the first power, so you're going to have to use a placeholder there. Let me show you one of the remainder just so you can see that as well. So we'll do number 5. So instead of a negative 3, we're going to say b equals a positive 3. So 3, look how fast these are. 9, negative 32, 0, 36. Bring down the 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 negative 32 is negative 5. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Add those up, we get a negative 15 when you add those two. 3 times negative 45 is good. A negative 45. 3 times negative 15 is negative 45. So we are going to get a remainder here. And see here. So negative 45 and 36 is, I believe, negative 9. Okay, so this time we do have a remainder. So we're going to finish it off here. So we'll bring down the 9. We're doing it in b's. Not b to the third power now, but b squared. So then 9b squared minus 5b minus 15 is our answer. And then we're going to have a remainder, so you actually want to use the minus 9 there. So minus 9 as a remainder all over the divisor. Over the divisor. So minus 9 over b minus 3. Okay, so that's our final answer there for number 5. You do need that minus 9 as a remainder as a fraction over the divisor. So we'll say remainder, and your answer needs to be the remainder divided by the divisor. So please make sure to do that, because that is worth a point just by itself, as well as 9b squared minus 5b minus 15. Thanks for watching. I definitely know that'll help you. And come see me, EO, tomorrow morning or whenever we have EO, come see me for help. And thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Peace out.